another group and you were standing, please return to your seat. I understand why some of you guys were not able to complete the assignment. We had some technical difficulties with ClassFlow. It's okay. Let me get this side of the room. We did this last time, right? Let's do this side of the room. Please come to the floor. Alicia, go take a seat. If you are talking right now and I asked you to go to the floor, I need you to return to your seat. If I ask you to return to your seat because you were talking, please try it again. This side of the room, please try it. Again, if you were talking and I asked you to come to the floor, please return to your seat. Those that are following expectations, I really appreciate it.
I don't. X out. All the way. Yeah. We try it again.
I'm just doing the
Today of all days, right? Let me try one.
There we go.
I think it's temperamental sometimes.
Alright guys, before we review, before we go over, review, and go over your responses for that question, I want you guys to think about the word compare and comparison. What do you think about when you hear compare and comparison when it comes to math? Think about that. What do you think those words mean in math? Alicia?
In math, I
Okay, so you're doing this. Are you talking about the equal sign? If they're the same? Greater than, less than. Good. Olivia, what are some things, or what do you think about when you hear the word compare or comparison? What do those words mean in math?
Comparison could mean only compare, but while comparing
Now, what do you think when I say the word difference? What does the word difference mean in math? Parker?
different things, different numbers.
Different numbers. Chloe? important words. Comparison or compare, that is finding the difference between two numbers, two quantities, or two values. And I love that Alicia brought up the symbols. These are the symbols that you should think of when we think, or when you hear the word comparison or compare. Greater than, less than, or equal to. And then difference, you need to be thinking of the number line. It is the distance between the numbers on the number line. So staying seated, just turn your head to the back, to our number line. So finding the difference of two numbers, I'm just going to pick two numbers, 80 and 20. So I need to find the difference between 80 and 20. So that is how many jumps it takes to get from 20 to 80. All right, turn back around. And then for comparison problems, the difference is the unknown. So the unknown is what we are trying to figure out. That is the difference between the two numbers, the two values, or the two quantities. All right, so now we're going to talk about what we did on crossword. So if you were not able to submit your strategy, we're going to talk about that now.
Sorry.
So someone raise their hand and tell me which strategy they used, or they would have used if they were able to submit their response. Austin? Place value. So what were our numbers? Do you remember our numbers? What were they? 24 and 15. And what are we doing? Are we adding or subtracting them? Subtracting them. Okay, can you explain to me how you solved this problem using the strategy that you used? Okay, so what would you have done? Okay. Walk me through it. So, these together and these together? Okay, so what do I need to write down? Minus 10. What'd you get? Everyone should be listening. 10. Now what do I need to do? I did 20 minus 10. Where did you get this 20? And this 10? Austin. So how did you know that this was worth 20 and this was worth 10? Okay, so you did 20 minus 10 and you got 10. What do I need to do now? 4 minus 5. Now what? Can you do 4 minus 5? How many can you take away? How many do you have? 4. So what do I need to do? Okay. So what number, how many do we have? So what, 4 plus what equals 5? Now what? You should be sitting up. Say that again?
10 minus 1.
Why 10 minus 1?
Because if you do the 5, you can remember about the ones on the 5. And if you put a 4 on, then it's 4 minus 4. That makes 0. But you still have 1 left. So, and you have the 10.
What's your answer?
Yep, like that.
All right. Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs down if you disagree.